Hello, my chemistry minions.
MoNaCo is here.
And Milks is also present.
Uh,
Unit 11.
Organic chemistry. This unit, we're going to be covering mostly nomenclature of organic compounds, which is now the names and the structures and everything are related.
It's basically going to be names and drawing, backwards and forwards. If you can name it, you can draw it. If you can draw it, you can name it.
Or you should be. And there's 3 reference tables. So let's get into what we need to know for this unit. The main objectives are...
We'll be learning. Number 1, identify organic compounds versus inorganic compounds based on structure, name, and characteristics of said unknown compound.
Yep.
Okay.
Organic compounds, what are their characteristics? Melting points, boiling points, basic, quick identifiers.
Okay. Differentiate between aliphatic, aromatic, saturated, and unsaturated compounds. There's some new vocab words for us.
Yep, I mostly removed all the aromatic stuff, but aliphatic basically means straight chain. Hydrocarbon, saturated and unsaturated, has to do with singles and double bonds and triple bonds.
Can I hold more hydrogen, or am I holding as much as I can?
Yep. So that's saturated and unsaturated, not with respect to solutions.
Correct.
Same words, different topic, different meaning.
Ooh, we will hammer that.
You're going to name organic compounds based on rules. IUPAC is the organizing body that decides on the rules. You're going to use the help of table P and Q.
Yes.
And even R with the functional groups, but there we go.
Yep. We need to distinguish between alkynes, alkenes, and alkanes. They are, if you look at those words, they all look very much the same. There are subtle differences, and you will be able to tell the difference.
There's a whole reference table devoted to them. It's reference table Q, called the homologous series. Identify various functional groups of organic compounds using table R. Functional group is a nice, unique portion of a molecule, and it's basically, can you play the matching game?
Yes. There will be something other than carbon and hydrogen. It will stick out like a sore thumb.
What is it? It's sore thumb. Look at it, compare it to table R, and then tell me what class of compound it belongs to.
Yeah, it's going to have another name.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Here are those names.
Right. There's 9 of them altogether. Some are more common than others, specifically alcohol, organic acid, and the halides are very, very common.
Yeah.
Ethers, esters, amides, amines,
not so much.
Aldehydes and ketones,
sometimes.
So-so. But you'll see them on table R.
Yeah. The aldehydes, formaldehyde gets used in a lot of different things.
But we don't see it very often.
Yeah, we don't see it, but you know,
the
that
thing
new
with
car
this
smell.
With this unit packet, you will see examples of all of them.
Yes, multiple times.
8 times specifically, at least, at
9.
minimum, so that you can get familiar with them just in case we throw you a curveball.
There you go. Then we need to basically learn the 7 reactions. These are them: addition, substitution, polymerization, esterification, fermentation, saponification, and MoNaCo's favorite,
Combustion.
Well, isn't it really almost all of our favorites? I mean,
yeah, it got me here today in my car.
Seriously.
These are 7 unique reactions to organic chemistry. We put them here because there is nowhere else to put them in the unit of studies throughout the year. They're not synthesis decompositions. They're not single replacements. They're not double replacements. They're not redoxes. They might contain elements of all the above, but they are unique to organic compounds.
But you're going to find some of them have alcohols in them, some of them you need esters in them, and we learn about these things, so this is a great place for them.
What I will say, and we got to end on this pretty much, is that organic chemistry here in this unit, in this course of study, is like the very, very most tippity-tip tip it is. It's the snowflake on the tip of the iceberg.
Seriously, like in college, it's 2 full semesters, organic 1 and organic 2.
And they're just studying the organic reactions. They're not even studying. You assume when you get to organic 1 and organic 2 in college that you understand the nomenclature and naming rules that we're going to be teaching you here.
Right, and then they just delve into the reactions in depth, and you got to do them all in the lab, and it's a lot of fun. It's some of the coolest chemistry there is.
And it's some of the most lucrative chemistry there is, because this is how pharmaceutical corporations make their cake.
True.
Yeah. Thanks for watching.
That's it, guys. Keep an eye on these. Check them off as you learn them.